No rain in sight for this weekend. In fact, it's actually a very quiet forecast for us. The rain chances that we do get this week, very low end, 20%, and it's going to be fueled by the humidity. Temperature forecast also pretty stagnant, low to mid 90s as we go from the end of the weekend into the middle of next week. The high for today, 93 degrees. The change between yesterday and today, we're adding in the breeze. We're going to hold on to that breeze for Memorial Day Monday. Temperature scaling back just a little bit because of the added cloud cover that the moisture will be ushering in from that strong southerly breeze we've got on tap for today. Sustained wind the rest of the day, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Those occasional gusts, though, you will feel it's going to be breezy, getting up to around 20 miles an hour. That's going to pick up this afternoon and last through this evening, and then we'll push a repeat on that again for tomorrow. So what's it going to feel like out there? The upper 90s. The reason for that, when we have humidity and we're sweating, well, the humidity doesn't allow our body to cool off. Sweat is supposed to evaporate, and that's how we cool off. But when there's moisture out there, well, the sweat kind of just sticks to us. Other than that, we're going to stay quiet. We're going to stay quiet in the Atlantic too for the next 5 days, but we are watching the Eastern Pacific because that's where we find the first hurricane of the season. Their season started May 15th. Ours starts June 1st, and we do have now Hurricane Agatha there, packing wind speeds at 75 miles an hour, expected to make landfall as a Category 1 along the coastline, with hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings affecting around 40,000 people. Right now, there is a 30% chance for this hurricane to redevelop as it exits the Bay of Campeche along the southwestern portion of the Gulf and the northwestern portion of the Caribbean. But that 30% chance is going to be really halted by that mountainous terrain. It really breaks apart on the models there. There is a little rotation, so perhaps a remnant low area, low pressure area that could provide some moisture that will track towards Florida, but it's going to be battling the elements because there's also quite a bit of wind shear forecasted for next week at the upper levels of our atmosphere. You know what that does? Totally rips apart that hurricane or any tropical storm that would result after it passes through Mexico. Humidity over the next few days is going to be increasing. We'll go from humid to that summer muggy feel, and that fuels the low end shower chances. So no big forcing system that will bring us measurable rain. The weather story for the next few days, hot and humid, an early start to summer.